Yes, even me don't taste that one. But I go keep my comments till after the show because I don't want candies, bobo. No, I actually want dash our money. But waiting and talk, they say women still, now we get kitchen no matter how it be, no matter how you take dragon with us, now we get them. That's why now we don't reach the turn of roots. Our second contestant, we cook beans and boil plantain. But we need to carry and go give our judges, make them tell us if this one in present, because when I know say now creativity, presentation and style, now we they look for here. All right, Roots, go impress our judges. I hope say that go like them. And this your quietness, it be like say it go work for you small. I don't know, I just think my people, how na see am?
It look interesting.
Interesting. And food got to look interesting.
Also.
Before like you talk, you say go got to suit the eyes first.
Definitely.
Before the mouth go say okay, see am. All right, I'm here on our own judgment. My chef, you don't even wait to make the thing enter the other plate.
Get the particular thing where they find.
It gets something where you they look for. You go tell us. Maybe behind the camera, you go tell us because beans, you don't get another taste. I don't know what you they look for.
Beans, no be beans.
Maybe you they look for the one that go serve for inside your restaurant, huh? Where you feel serve.
Consistency, they did different.
They did different.
I see the way where you they shake it. I know so you know what you they do. But I like this on our job, Sha. These people will just come, they'll just chop, go. God judge the matter, just chop, go. Anyway, no problem. Do as you like, now you get them. Make una tell me what you wanna think. As soon as they chop the thing. My sister, make your cooking speak for you because you know to get voice to talk. Your voice just there, solo. You think say you don't impress them rich. Eh? For your mind, you think say you don't win their heart.
I hope so.
You hope so. You dey fear?
I no fear.
You no fear?
Yeah.
Because you know what's in you cook.
Yeah.
All right, so my people, I can't fit to wait. Make my judges drink water, drop the spoon. When they come back, we'll go do them as it's supposed to be. Make we hear what they got to tell us. But now, it be like say they still they judge the matter. And when two people don't sit down to judge your matter, my brother, the matter is strong, no be here.